Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox assets not loading. Let's fix it guys. You just need to open up browser and select the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side you just need to scroll down and select security. Now scroll down and toggle on the use secure DNS option and select the DNS provider. Click on this drop down and select a Google public DNS option. And now just minimize this. Go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. Set OK. Close it off here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.